What if you could create a professional landing page for your business using AI and have it live online in under an hour? In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to build a high converting landing page using AI and then deploy it on your own VPS. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a clean, sales-ready landing page running live on your server, something you can use for a product, service, agency, portfolio, or even your next startup idea. What's up everyone, it is Christian from RackNerd TV. If you have been following our recent videos, we've built a game, a website, and even an AI chatbot using AI tools. And this is yet another really practical project that you can build quickly because landing pages are everywhere. Whether you're a freelancer, entrepreneur, business owner, agency owner, or creator, at some point you'll probably need a page that promotes something. And thanks to AI, creating one is now much faster than it used to be. Today, we are going to use AI to generate the entire landing page, including the headline, sections, layouts, and call to action, then upload it all to a VPS using Bitvice and host it live with Apache. And the best part is we're doing all of this in just a single index.html file. All right, let's jump into it. Now we're on ChatGPT and go ahead and use this prompt. Create a high converting landing page for a digital product using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Include a hero section, feature section, testimonials, pricing section, and call to action. Keep the design modern, responsive, and visually appealing. Once the AI generates the code, go ahead and copy everything. Open your text editor and paste in the code, and then save it as index.html. Make sure that the file is saved exactly as index.html and not as a text document. Once that is done, double-click the file and open it locally in your browser. At this stage, review the landing page and make sure that everything looks good. Scroll through the page, test any buttons or animations, and confirm that the layout is responsive. And honestly, this is one of the coolest parts about using AI right now. You can generate a fully designed landing page within minutes, then customize it however you want. Now that we have a working landing page, let's deploy it on a VPS. Go ahead and open Bitvice SSH client, enter your VPS details. Host is going to be your VPS IP address, username is root, and then enter your root password. Once everything is filled out, click login. Now inside the terminal, we're going to install Apache. So if you're on Ubuntu or Debian, run these commands. Once Apache finishes installing, open your VPS IP address in your browser. You should now see the default Apache page. Now let's remove that default page by running this command. Now we're ready to upload our landing page. Inside the Bitvice SFTP file browser, navigate to /var/www/html/. On your local machine, locate your index.html file, then drag and drop it into that directory that we have open on your VPS. Once the upload finishes, go back to your browser and refresh your VPS IP address. Your landing page should now be live. Go ahead and scroll through the page to confirm everything loaded properly, and just like that, you now have a live landing page hosted on your own VPS. From here, if you want to make it production ready, you can connect your own domain name by pointing your domain's A record to your VPS IP address. You can also continue customizing the design, changing the copy, integrating forms, or connecting analytical tools. And that's it. You have successfully built and deployed your own landing page using AI and a VPS host together. This is honestly one of the fastest ways to go from idea to something real and live online. And once you get comfortable with this workflow, you can start building client pages, startup websites, lead generation funnels, product launches, and so much more. If you want to continue learning how to deploy and host projects like this yourself, make sure to explore the other tutorials here on RackNerd TV. And if you're ready to launch your own projects on reliable VPS infrastructure, you can also check us out at racknerd.com for available VPS hosting plans and specials. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.